Hey Manuel, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I wanted to go over what a website could do for you. And so if we type in Foundation Repair Houston, which is a keyword which you would want to have on your website when you have it built, the first thing that pops up here are some ads. But if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into the Google Map Pack section here. And so you want to be ranking in the top 3 because they get the majority of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses is you have a Google business profile that has more citations than these here. You also want to have a good amount of reviews as well as geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing, and this is where your website would be ranking. So the other 60 to 70% of business comes down into this organic listing. And the same thing applies. A lot of that 60 to 70% stays in the top 3. But it's really important to be on the first page because 90% of people will stay on the first page. But let's take a look at this #1 ranking website, and then I'll give you some recommendations whenever you make yours. So if we go through Atlas here, they have some of these call to actions, which are forms, and then chat with us or click to call now. That will really help with your conversion whenever you do make a website. And something that I would recommend for them as well as you is to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage. The reason is because Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet 24/7. And so they look through the website's content looking for those keywords, which Foundation Repair Houston was an example of that keyword. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And so let's take a look at the back end of Atlas's website. And so I have Atlas plugged into Ahrefs here. And this is just taken from Google data. So there are ratings to websites, UR and DR. This is the authority and trustworthiness of a website. So they have 34 and 17. And what's making up those ratings are their 1.79 thousand backlinks that they have, coming from 249 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's one website linking to another one. So it's kind of like a shout out. Something worth mentioning is that not all backlinks are created equal. And so you want to make sure that you have good quality backlinks. Good quality backlinks will help these numbers and boost them, and spammy ones will bring these numbers down. As well as having some good keywords on your website. They have 721. So one way that you can get good quality backlinks yourself would be to go in here to Atlas's backlinks that they have, and then link those to your website that you build yourself, and then that way your website would be ranking. If it's working for them, it would work for you as well. And let's take a look at some keywords that they have on their website. So they have these keywords on their website, and since their website is powerful, they are ranking as well. And so this is where some of their traffic is coming from. Foundation Repair Houston, 1.7 thousand people are searching every single month for this. Foundation Repair in Houston, 400, 250, 250, 150, 250, and so there are just hundreds and hundreds of people searching for the service that you provide in the areas that you service. So I would recommend getting a website built so that you can get some of this traffic yourself, and having a Google business profile and adding citations. You want to make sure that your Google business profile is ranking as well as your website. So on your website, you'd want to make sure that you have 1,500 words of content on your homepage, as well as having these keywords and having backlinks as well to your website. And so if you ever need help with building or increasing the authority and the trustworthiness of your website, we'd be more than happy to help you. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.